What'd you say?
Zoom. Zoom.
Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa Maurer?
Thank you, Mom. Bye. Suck, suck. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Where's your Thomas book? Will you get Thomas? What's your Thomas book do? It says choo-choo? Choo-choo!
That's it. That's this.
Glasses? Those are for Mr. Potato Head. Where's Mr. Potato Head? Get your potato head. Put his glasses on. Good job. Yay! You did it.
Sissy, this is hot.
I think he needs some ears to hold his glasses on. Carter, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Tama.
Say bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye-bye, Tama.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Yes.
Say happy birthday, Carter.
Happy birthday.